Welcome to the ultimate destination for all things automotive. If you're passionate about powerful pickups, cutting-edge design, and the thrill of the open road, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated trucks of the year, the 2025 Volkswagen Amarok. Whether you're already a die-hard VW fan or just curious about what makes this new Amarok stand out, stick around because we're about to explore every inch of this beast, from performance to features and everything in between. Volkswagen has truly raised the bar with the 2025 Amarok, delivering a blend of rugged toughness and refined comfort like never before. It's clear that this isn't just another utility truck, it's a bold statement of what a modern pickup should be. With its powerful stance, aggressive grille, and sharply designed LED headlights, the Amarok doesn't just demand attention on the road, it commands respect. The exterior design balances athleticism and sophistication, with muscular wheel arches, striking alloy wheels, and a purposeful look that's ready to tackle any terrain. But the 2025 Amarok isn't just about good looks. It's about performance that backs up the attitude. Under the hood, you'll find a range of engine options, depending on the market and trim level. The star of the lineup is the 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine that pushes out serious horsepower and torque, giving you the power you need whether you're hauling heavy loads or heading off the beaten path. With Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system, traction is never an issue. From city streets to remote trails, this truck is built to conquer. Step inside the cabin, and you'll immediately notice that the Amarok isn't just a workhorse, it's a mobile command center. Volkswagen has taken luxury and functionality to new heights, offering a driver-focused cockpit loaded with the latest tech. The centerpiece is the massive digital display that blends a digital instrument cluster with a high-resolution infotainment screen. Everything is intuitive, responsive, and designed to keep you connected and in control without taking your eyes off the road. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed in the name of durability. The seats are sculpted for long-haul support and available in premium leather, with heating and ventilation for both driver and passenger. And there's space, lots of it. Whether you're loading up tools for the job site or packing gear for a weekend escape, the Amarok's interior is versatile and intelligently designed to adapt to your lifestyle. Safety is also front and center in the 2025 Amarok. Volkswagen has packed it with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. It's not just about getting you from point A to point B, it's about making sure you arrive safely and confidently, every time. Let's talk capability. One of the most impressive things about the new Amarok is how seamlessly it blends everyday drivability with rugged, go-anywhere capability. The ground clearance has been increased, the suspension has been fine-tuned, and the towing capacity has been pushed to new heights. Whether you're hauling a trailer, towing a boat, or navigating a rocky incline, the Amarok handles it with ease. It's the kind of truck that doesn't just meet expectations, it blows right past them. And if you're the kind of driver who likes options, Volkswagen delivers. The 2025 Amarok is available in a variety of trims, each offering its own unique personality. From the more utilitarian base models perfect for fleet use or tough job sites, to the high-end Panamericana and Aventura trims that bring an almost luxury SUV level of refinement, there's an Amarok for everyone. Customization is the name of the game, with accessories and features designed to fit your needs, whether that's heavy-duty off-roading or urban cruising in style. What really sets the Amarok apart in 2025 is its global DNA. Co-developed with Ford but distinctly Volkswagen in its execution, it combines the best of both worlds. That means proven engineering, shared technology, and the kind of reliability you can count on, all wrapped in VW's signature style and innovation. It's tough where it counts, smart where it matters, and stylish all around. Fuel efficiency has also seen improvement across the board. Thanks to optimized engine tuning and aerodynamic refinements, the Amarok offers respectable mileage without compromising on power. That's a huge plus for drivers who want performance and practicality in the same package. It's no longer a question of choosing between strength and sensibility, the 2025 Amarok gives you both. Now let's not forget the digital features that really elevate the driving experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the infotainment system is faster and more intuitive than ever. USB-C ports, a premium sound system, and even wireless phone charging make sure you're plugged in and powered up wherever the road takes you. Off-road enthusiasts will also be happy to know that the 2025 Amarok isn't just for show. Select trims come equipped with off-road driving modes, locking differentials, underbody protection, and all-terrain tires. Whether you're tackling sand dunes, riverbeds, or mountain trails, this truck is engineered to perform where others might hesitate. And thanks to the updated chassis and intelligent drivetrain, you'll feel confident no matter the conditions. For those thinking long-term, Volkswagen's reputation for quality and durability continues with the Amarok. It's built to last, built to perform, and built to impress. Whether you're a contractor, an adventurer, or just someone who loves the feel of a capable vehicle under your hands, the 2025 Amarok is more than a truck, it's a lifestyle companion. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button because we're just getting started. We'll be taking deep dives into Amarok trims, off-road tests, tech tutorials, and comparisons with other trucks in its class. And if you're already part of the community, drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear what you're excited about, what features matter most to you, and what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and buckle up, because with the 2025 Volkswagen Amarok, the road ahead is anything but ordinary.